Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. Now, those of you that are yet to follow us on Telegram, make sure you do not forget to follow us on Telegram. Follow us on Telegram right now. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section because there will be sharing some trade ideas, some trade setups, and whatever things that can help in trading journey. We will be shared on that Telegram channel. So you would want to be part of it and you would not want to miss out. So follow us. Now let's take a look at this gold. Now let me show you guys something right now. You would have seen that when market goes to this level of 1980, right? This was the major level. I want you guys to actually pay attention to this level. This is the major level when markets came to this level of 1980, right? Now if you see it here, markets gave us a pullback at first. We can start one market goes to this level right here, right? Which it broke out of it a little bit, but market eventually gave us a pullback, right? Now market has now given us another impulse move, breaking out of that impulse, this major resistance, which is which now which was the previous resistance level, which broke above it. Now price has now given us a pullback to come to test it, which is now we would now consider it as the support level. So what next do you expect on gold? Definitely an impulse move to the upside. So we would be expecting a bullish move on gold. So expect more bullish move on gold. But if in case gold does not do that, it eventually drops downward, then trust me, there's going to be a massive sell. The sell on gold will be very, 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 very massive. Huge one. So it will have to do with what will happen tomorrow, because we all know tomorrow is the first day of the month of November. We will be expecting some major news. I think jobless claim or something like that. First of all, that is the news that I'll be expecting. Then later on, we will be expecting Fed rates, which these two have a major impact on USD. So watch out for the direction of USD. So the USD will affect our gold. That is what I'm saying. Right now, I'm a bit neutral on gold. So yes, gold can push up from it. Of course, we are already at the support level. Gold can start giving us that bullish move, which is that is what it is on the technical aspect of this, right? But when you compare to the fundamental, we don't really know what the news will be coming at. But if the news will support the technical aspect of this, then expect more movement to the upside. But if the news would not support it, then gold will start falling, and that fall will be a massive fall. And again, you can see that there is kind of a rejection at this level. Price dropped. When price came to this level again, we kind of had like a rejection, kind of serving like a double top, right? Now it has dropped. If market does not push up and break this previous highs here, then it will start dropping. So that is what I'm saying. It's either we start going up or start dropping. So let us watch out for the news and everything and what market will do this. Then I'm going to give you guys an update. Make sure you follow us on Telegram so you will get that update also.